Dash plus continuation. Dict object. Don't allow the dict object. Don't allow the duplicate keys. Duplicate keys, but it allows duplicate values. Dict object don't allow the duplicate keys, but it allows duplicate values. Dict object don't allow duplicate keys, but it allows duplicate values. Now I'm taking as x equal to max. I'm assigning the marks. Hence is the subject. Marks. Again, 34 I'm assigning. By mistakenly, I'm assigning max. Observing very clearly, dictionary don't allow the duplicate keys. But here I am entering 2 times same key, M. But which value is assigning a recent value of that key? What is the recent value of key? Last assigned value, 31. It written only one key, that is M, but value is recent value. Next one, it allow the duplicate values. Dict object don't allow the duplicate keys, but it allows duplicate values. Next one, dict object don't supporting indexing and slicing concepts. Dict object don't supporting both the indexing and slicing concepts. But it's supporting hashing concept. Hashing means keys. Hashing concepts. But it's supporting hashing concepts. Next one, we can retrieve the values from dict objects. We can retrieve values from dict object by using hashing concept. We can retrieve the values from dict object by using hashing concept. Now observe very clearly, this is my dictionary object. Now I want to fetch this three value. How to fetch that value? By using hashing. That means entire key we are passing. Hashing means by using keys. Now I want to print this 4.2 x of tuple of 5, 6 we are passing. Now I want to print 5, 6 x of 3j. I want to print 5, 2 x of 2. That key we are passing. I want to print this gamma x of 8. That key we are passing. For suppose I want to print it Here 5 I want to print it. How to print that 5? X of 3j. Next one, x of 3j value. This is a which value? List object. List object supporting indexing. Next I am taking as a 0. Now we'll get the output is 5. For suppose I want to print a character, that's m character. How to print that m character? X of 8. Now that is a which object? Value is a string object. String is supporting indexing. I am passing to. Or suppose I want to print it first 3 characters in my string. How to print that one? X of 8. First 3 characters. Slicing operation. Okay, hashing in the sense keys concept. Because keys are not duplicated, but values are duplicated. Next one, we can update the dict object values by using hashing concept. We can update the dict object values by using hashing concept. I'm observing very clearly. This is my dictionary object. Now I'm trying to updating science value 34 to 50. Okay, x of our key. Now we can assign the value. Now our value is updated. We can update the dict object values by using hashing. Next one, we can add the item to the dict object. By using hashing concept. We can add the item into the dict object by using hashing concept. Now observing very clearly. This is my dictionary object. Now I'm trying to adding one item. X of English. So suppose that key is not available. Now automatically that item will be added at the end of the previous items in our dictionary. This is a 3.x. In 3.x, this is a sequence. That's why ending of the previous items. In 2.x, it will be added any position because in 2.x don't follow any order. If key is available, value is updated. If key is not available, that item will be added. Okay, by using hashing concept, we can perform in 3 operations. One is called retrieve operation. Second one, update operation. Third one, insert operation. Okay, first one, this is a retrieve. We can retrieve the values from the dict object by using hashing. Second scenario, we can update the dict object values by using hashing. Third scenario, we can add the item. By using hashing, we can perform in three operations: insert, update, and retrieve operations. Next one, we cannot assign dict object as a key to the another dict object. Key to the another dict object. We cannot assign dict object as a key to the another dict object, but we can assign dict object as a value to the another dict object. We cannot assign dict object as a key to the another dict object, but we can assign dict object as a value to the another dict object. So suppose here I am taking as one dictionary object. Here I am taking as a student name. Marks I am taking as a value. Value is also a dictionary object. Okay, here I am trying to assigning dictionary object as a value. Now it is valid or invalid? Valid. The values are either mutable or immutable. For suppose here I am trying to assigning dictionary object as a key. Dictionary object as a key. In our dictionary object, keys must be which objects? Dictionary object keys must be which objects? Immutable. But dictionary is immutable or immutable? Dictionary is immutable. Here I am trying to assigning dictionary object as a key. That's why here we will get one error message. Okay, dict object is immutable. We cannot assign the mutable objects are keys. Keys must be immutable. That is the statement. We cannot assign dict object as a key to the another dict object, but we can assign dict object as a value to the another dict object. Next one, working with functions. Working with functions. Now observing very clearly. Now observing very clearly, this is my dictionary object. Now I want to find the number of items in my dictionary. Simply we can apply the length function. Now I am apply the 4 items. Item is nothing but a key value pair. This is a one item. This is the second item, third item, and fourth item. 4 items. Min of x. By default, we cannot specify anything. It will return the minimum keys. Okay, here all the keys are which objects? String objects. In that string object, take the first character to comparing the ASCII values. First one M and S and a T. When compared to these 3 characters, which character having the minimum ASCII value? M or S or T? M. Max of X. Now what is the output? What is the maximum ASCII value of first character keys? M or S or T? T. Next one, sorted of X. Okay, by default, it will be written the sorting order based upon keys. Now, what is the first key? M, next one, SC, next one, SO, next one, Telugu. Sorted of X comma, reverse equal to true. Now reverse order, that means descending order. For suppose I want to get the minimum value, maximum value. In that situation, dictionary providing one method, that method name is called values. In that values, what is the minimum value? What is the minimum value? 34. Max of X dot values. What is the maximum value? Which one? 94. Max of, that means sorted of X dot values. Now we can return the values in sorting order. First one 34, 39, 45, 94. Sorted of X dot values, comma reverse equal to true. Now descending order. For suppose I want to fetch the minimum item, maximum item. Item nothing but a key value pair combination. Min of X dot items. Now how to performing the operation internally based upon key, which is the minimum key, that value also written. In our dictionary, what is the minimum key? M. What is the value? 45. Now entire item will be written. Max of X dot items. Now what is the maximum key? Telugu. Now what is the value? 39. Next one sorted of X dot items. Based upon key, entire item will be written as a sorting order. What is the first key? M. Next one, science, social, next one, Telugu. That items also will be written. Sorted of X dot items, comma reverse equal to true. Now we are getting the descending order items. Okay, by default, it will be written the based on keys. Default based on keys. based on values. Key, this is a value. Value m ki ఏది ఉంటే అది వస్తుంది. Okay, x dot items means we can get the minimum item based upon key. Which key is the minimum? That item will be written. Okay, key plus value. ఓకే, m అనేది మనకి మినిమం కి, దానికి వాల్యూ ఏది ఉంటే అది వస్తుంది. ఆ ఐటమ్ మొత్తం వస్తుంది. ఇక్కడ ఏమొస్తుంది? ఓన్లీ కీ మాత్రమే వస్తుంది. అంటే టబుల్ ఫార్మాట్ ప్రింట్ అవుతుంది కీని వాల్యూని. మనకి ఐటమ్స్ మెథడ్ అనేది టబుల్ ఫార్మాట్ ఇస్తుంది. మీరు సార్టెడ్ డాట్ ఎక్స్ డాట్ ఐటమ్స్ అంటే మీకు టబుల్ ఫార్మాట్ ఉంటాయి ఇంటర్నల్గా. Completed. Next one, from Python 3.8 versions onwards, the object is a reversible object. Reversible object. From 3.8 version onwards, dict object is a reversible object. I'm observing very clearly. This is my dictionary object. Now I want to get the reverse order. Simply we can apply the reversed items key value pair combination I want to require. That's why I'm using x dot items. Okay. Now that result I want to converting into dictionary format. We cannot converting the reverse function don't return directly output. It will recognize one object, reversed object. Reverse. Okay, dict reversed item iterator object is generated. For suppose trying to converting the data into dictionary. Now we'll get the key value pair combination.
Sir, Python 3.5 onwards only it supports sequence object, right?
Yeah, from Python 3.5 version onwards, dictionary supporting sequence, but it is not reversible. The reversal function is applicable from 3.8 version onwards.
Okay.
If you interest, we can downloading below 3.8 version, we can practice it. Okay, from 3.5 version onwards, dictionary is a sequence, but it is not reversible. The reversal function is applicable from Python 3.8 version onwards. Okay, if you are not understanding this statement, to download 3.7 version in your computer, we can executing same command in your 3.7. Next one, working with dict class methods. If we want to display all the available dict class methods with syntax and description by using help function help of dict. If you want to display only function names by using dir function. If we want to display all the available dict class methods with the syntax and description by using help function. If you want to display only method names by using dir function. Help of dict. Now these are the dict class methods with the syntax and description. These are the dict class method names. Clear, copy from keys, get to items, keys, pop item, set default, update and values. Post method, clear method. To clear the dict object, to remove all the items from the dict object at a time. To clear the dict object, to remove all the items from the dict object at a time. Dict object dot clear. Okay, this is my dictionary object. Length of x. So dot clear. అర్థం కదా IKW వర్క్స్ ఫంక్షన్స్ వచ్చినప్పుడు వస్తాయి. KW వర్క్స్ మీకు ఫంక్షన్స్ వచ్చినప్పుడు వస్తాయి. ఇలా పాస్ చేయాలి మనం. కీ నేమ్ కీ పాస్ చేయాలి, అలాగే వాల్యూ పాస్ చేయాలి. Completed. Generally, how to create a dictionary? Normally, dict of. Okay, now we are passing. For suppose name equal to Shiva, age equal to salary. How it is converting? This type of arguments are nothing but a star arguments. Double star arguments means that is a keyword arguments. Compulsory key and value we can assign it. This is the one representation to create a dictionary. Another representation directly we can take the square brackets, and within the square brackets we can pass the key value pair combination. Name, colon, Shiva. Next one, that is also both are string objects. Next one, age value we are assigning, salary we are assigning. This is another format of representation of dictionary objects. మీకు ఫంక్షన్స్ లో వస్తాయి చెప్తాం. Completed. Next method, clear method, copy method. Copy method. Create a shallow copy of a dict object. To create a shallow copy of a dict object. To create a shallow copy of a dict object. Dict object dot copy. ఎక్కడంటే మార్క్ ఇంటూ ఇలా అడిగారా? Now y equal to x dot copy. Next method, pop method. Remove a particular item from the dict object. Dict object dot pop of item. This key we are passing. Based upon key, that item will be removed. Okay, this is my dictionary object. Now I want to removing one item. Based upon key, I am passing key. Now that item will be removed. For suppose x dot pop of, I am passing one key. That key is not available. Now to return the key error message. For suppose x dot pop, we are not specifying any key. In that situation, pop expected at least one argument, but we are not passing any value. We are passing 0 argument. Next method, pop item. Remove one item from dict object. From dict object in sequence manner from right to left. Right to left. In non-sequence manner from right to left, left to right. Dict object dot pop item. Completed. Exited pop item. Okay, this is a sequence manner or non-sequence manner. This is a 3.10 sequence manner. Now it will remove one item from right to left. Next one, get method. To get the value from the dict object, to get the value from the dict object based on key. Dict object dot get of key Okay, now observing very clearly. My requirement, I want to get the value of signs. How to get the value of signs? Simply we are using hashing concept, that key we are passing. Simply by using one more method, get method. But the difference is by using get method, we can get the value. But by using hashing concept, we can get the value, we can update the value, and we can insert the item. Three operations we are performing. But by using get method, we can performing only one operation, that is a retrieve operation. Next, one more difference. X dot or X of hashing. I am passing one key. If that key is not available, to return one error message. But get method X dot get of, if a key is available, to return that value. If a key is not available, don't return anything. This is another difference. Next, another one, X dot get of. I am passing signs. One default value I am assigning. If a key is available, that a key related value we are getting. What is the value of signs? 34. For suppose X dot get of, I am passing one key. I am assigning the value 41. Now check the PY in our dictionary. If it is available or not available. If it is not available, in that situation, the default value will be written. What is the default value? I am passing 41. Now 41 will be written. That is a default value. If key is not available, that value we are getting. Completed. Next one, keys method. To return all the keys from the dict object. To return all the keys from the dict object. Dict object dot keys. X dot keys. I want to get one by one key for k in X dot keys. int of k. Completed. Next method, values method. To return all the values from dict object dot values. X dot values for v in x dot values. Next one, items. To return all the items from the dict object dot items. To return all the items from the dict object dot items. X dot items in x dot items. Print of I. Your assignment question is write a program to print below number pattern. Write a program. Take the input as a string object. Take the input as a string. To return that string in title case and vowels must be capital case, uppercase. That is string. Okay, vowels must be uppercase. That means for suppose my input I am taken as a one string object. Now observing very clearly, this is my string. My expected output is, what is the expected output? Title case. First title case. Title case means each and every word, first alphabet is uppercase. Next one, A is a vowel or consonant. Vowel. Vowel is also must be uppercase. Caps. Next, I is a vowel or consonant. Now I is also capital. Space. Next one, title. S is a capital. I is a vowel. I is also capital, but V is not a vowel. Now V is small. A is a vowel. That's why that is also upper. Next one, K is a title case. Next one, R small, I capital, S small, H small, N small. Again, A is capital. Next one, G is a capital, O is a vowel, O, but D is not a vowel. Next one, M is capital, O is capital, I again capital. That is my expected output. Okay, next class we will discuss in DIT comprehension, differences between list and a tuple, and differences between set and a frozen set, differences between list and a set. After that one, how to copy the data from one object to another object, shallow copy, deep copy, and hard copy.